Good morning, friends. This is CA Sharup Ghosh from StockShodeck. Now, I would like to show you our two setups, which really is very effective. This is the first setup, which we will use our basic, so-called basic, but it is also a very advanced kind of setup where you can make money. This is for only safe traders, and we have another setup which we are now using these days. This is a super advanced setup, and I am using the same chart of ICICI Bank 15 minutes to really explain the differences between those two setup. Okay, so for our basic course we use these two setup. This is our stock show, right, where we get the trend, strength and all those. So let me switch on our setup. Now this setup is primarily run by our Nikala rule. What is the Nikala rule? Nil Kala Lal. So for your convenience, I have actually marked the point that at this level, you see Nil Kala and Lal was satisfied, has crossed. This is the area. So therefore, what is the stock price? This is the bar. So at this price, you were actually supposed to enter. So at ICICI on 7th April, you have actually entered at this level. Okay, so this is basically the candle. This is the candle, right? So at this candle you have entered at a price of about 576, and then the lot size is 1375, and then you could have taken a ride of Nikala. So this is then again it has flattened, and then since it is flattened, you can either from 576 you could have got out at 579. So that is 3 rupees into 1375 into 3 is here. You could have made money of 4125 from one lot, or you could have been in the trade to exit at this black bar, which is 584. So 584 and this is 576. So how much is the money? 584 minus 576 equal to, you have got 8 points into 1375. So you could have taken 2 entries here. You could have taken 11,000. So this is a very powerful setup, and at this level, you get the safe traders get all the confirmation to ride. But then since it has dipped, most of us would have incurred a loss unless you would have booked your profit here. So therefore, for safe traders, this is the thing, and thereafter it has not actually given you a good entry, because although you have got a diamond and all those, Nikala has not been satisfied. It has to be crossed up together for safe traders. If you violate the rule, risk is yours. Okay, and at the same time you have again a sell trade here. So where luckily we have got a black diamond, and then at this level I could have shorted at 577 and I could have got out at about 568. So here also you would have gotten 11 points. 11 point means 577 here. You have shorted at about 578 to 568. Let's say 10 points. So 10 points into 1375. Here also you could have made money, 13,750. So therefore you have got 2 chances to really take this trade. Okay, now what is the difference between, I know I am not explaining this particular setup because here also you have got trend and all, so our students knows about it. I am just basically explaining the difference between these two setup. So this is also a very powerful setup where you can also earn money of about 20,000 rupees from one lot technically. Now, so in this setup, this is the same time frame. If you look at this is from 7th to 12th I have taken. So in this setup, where we have got the entry. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's switch it on. So this is our usual setup, which exactly says we have entered at about 560 574 here in our previous setup, right? At this level, what is that level? If you look at 11:30 7th of April, so if I go to 11th of 7th of April, I got a signal here in our defensive setup for safe traders, but at this we got a clear signal. What signal we have got? We have got a clear clear buy signal here, is special blue color candle, and it is also supported by GAN. Now let me switch on the GAN part of it. Don't worry about it. I will also also get just a minute. So the difference between these two is, here we have got a late entry, but it is a very safe entry. Here it is super safe entry with certain informations. What are those information? Information number one, that we have got a red mark, red circle, which means, what is the circle? If you take the mouse to the circle, it will give, it's a red color, means our long term trend is over. Long term downtrend. Where the downtrend started? This is where our downtrend started. Okay, so therefore this is first information I have completed. So isse niche nahi jayega. So this is my optimum buy point, and here our exciting band which has bent upwards, which means it is also giving me a good signal to buy. No worry about it. And it is also supported by some GAN numbers here. I will explain you the GAN numbers and other things. And then we would have got out. We have not even got out here, because I will be waiting for another small circle, and this time this circle is orange circle. That means my medium term, I mark my word, medium term upside is over. So I will get it out here. So here I started my journey at about, let's say at this level, or at this level, to be safe side, 568 my entry instead of 567, and I will only get out at this level 584, which is a very strong GAN line, 584. So 567 minus 584 without any headache. 584 was the same thing, and 567, that is, I would have minted 17 points at 23,000 without any headache, because I only work on process, not on profit. So if my process says you have to get out, you have to get out. So that's the difference. Here the safe traders, so we have eliminated all this noise, and only the signals are given for safe traders, and it is also super safe, but at the same time it gives so much good signal at right time, at right place, and that makes money. That's the reason there is a price difference between these two. So once this is done, once the medium term upside is over, I will also take a short here, short option. So therefore you can always take a ride. It does not happen in these places, it happens only in these places. Once I take a short, I will again wait for in orange cap, and where I have got here at this level, I got an orange cap. So when you are getting out here at this level, actually this is a buying level also. Why? Because I have got double confirmation, one orange and one blue. Blue means my short term downtrend is over at the lowest level, and my medium term is also over. So therefore I only have one option, that is buying. And once this strong red line, which is a median line, strong red line crosses, you can always safely take this. Even if it is a red candle, you can take an entry here. Okay, and then it will go up, and it has gone up, and it has hit the GAN point here. So you could have taken a interim profit booking, and then again you got these W signals. W means GAN, WD GAN signals. So GAN suggests it is coming down. So therefore I can always take because I know at the back of my mind my bottom trend is over, but my magical line is going down, so it will come and retest. So what is this point? I will make a third confirmation that if you open my support resistance level, look at it very carefully, so beautiful. If you know how beautifully it is done, you know at this level you got a very strong buying entry, so it has come back. So therefore tomorrow again, this is the level where you can always buy, and then you can ride the trend. So therefore these are the three informations which are very, very important. And what is this health meter suggest? The health meter, again, if you take the take your cursor here, you will get all the information what the health meter is about. What the health meter does, first of all, my long term trends, that is 15 minutes to 1 week, all are negative, but then in the weekly we have neutral. So therefore, and at daily, if you look the deepness of this red color, daily is mildly bearish. Why it is mildly bearish? The logic is now you have completed your medium term and short term trend, so therefore that's the reason it is changing color. So you have the answer. Then what will you do here? What is the location of your 565, that is the current price? The location is that here, LTP 565, which means LTP is below view upline and our previous day line and LOC. So therefore once this bends upward, we will take a trade, or you can take, if you want to buy two lots, then you can always take one entry here and then wait for another. If it dips down a little bit, you buy. I will not take a sell entry even though it is sliding to the downside. So this is how you should always trade. And you also get the running targets. So these are, if you look at the top line, these are all running running targets line and support resistance line. So what is my support here at this level? What is this level? 564. Look at about 56. Is it 564? 564.70, right? So therefore you will have this 560. This is actually 564.60. So this is the line, and thereafter there is no line, which means this is the support line. And then what will be my next target? Safe traders can bet for 567, 571, 574. So these are all running things that you are given, and slowly this will change your color, and then LTP will move up. That means it has broken this resistance. So above the LTP these are resistance, below LTP there is no resistance. So only you have support. So therefore this is how you should trade. So these are the two basic difference between these two gigantic software. And believe it, if you want to trade in mobile phone, you just have to find out these coins, and then you can take a trade, and you exactly know from where it will bend. And and these are the things where if your entry is at the lowest price, and then obviously you buy at cheap and sell at higher price. So dear friends, this is the mother of all setup, and if you want to be part of this setup, you can contact me at 91430 my mobile number. I will definitely help you out to get all this, and this is being used by few of the big guys, and they are very, very happy. And this is very useful for option trading as well. So I have today explained you the difference between these two. These are for safe traders, and these are for safe with very aggressive traders. So and the question might come in your mind that whether it is whether if I do not know anything can I do it? Yes. The reason is it is assisted by even more stronger signals. So therefore whether it is it's a small candle, big candle, I don't care. At every level we get very, very important signal, and everybody understands this circle point. So method only is little bit different. There is no problem whether you know it or not. So this is what we teach, and this is what we deliver. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is C.A. Sarup Ghosh signing off. Take care. Bye bye from the Talk Show Deck.